Candidate number 1, Jonah Lea Kitalig. Next up, let's witness the talent of our candidate number 2, Jenny Trixie Velasco, representing Poblacion Norte. Candidate number 2, Jenny Trixie Velasco. Next up, let's have candidate number 3, Nicole Angel Manansala, representing Cynic Beat.
Kids move.
Kanting sinungaling ka kung di totoo yun! Sinungaling!
Hindi ako tao sinungaling ha. Kahit na bandido ako, kahit na mandurukot ako, meron ko sasalita. Nung sinabi ko sa'yo mahal kita, totoo yun. Galing dito yun. Pero ngayon wala na. Malabo na eh. Alam mo kung bakit? Masyado ka mataas. Ako masyado mababa. Lakit ka, lupa ako. Paano tayo mag-aabot?
Kung nasa itaas man ako, kaya kong bumaba. Para maabot mo.
Close my eyes and I can see a world that's waiting up for me that I call my own. Through the dark, through the door, through where no one's been before, but it feels like home.
That's candidate number 3, Nicole Angel Manansala. Next, we have candidate number 4, Sarah May Ildefonso, representing Palawan.
Sa iyong damdamin ipamalas ang angking galing. Tumayong tapang harapin ang buhay at harapin ang tagumpay.
Tulungan ang kapwa at bigyang halaga, huwag hatakin ng pababa. Isipin wag sana ang sarili lang, pakisama bayanihan. Subukan nating isulong at ligawan ng pagandang bukas. Ikaw at ako magkasama tayo sa lupain ng kinabukasan. Dali na guniti ang akong kamot, sa kalampusang magdungan kita sa pagkabot.
Patayon lamang kita sa pagbantay.
Pagsalig sa Diyos ay naging panuhiya. Sinaganda ang pagsugurog, pag-urong sa maayong ugma. Ikaw ug ako mauban kita, sugatong tang kaugmaon.
Thank you so much, candidate number 4, Sarah May Ildefonso. Now, let's welcome candidate number 5, Rialin Cavio, representing Ventimiglia. That is candidate number 5, Leoline Calpio. Next, we have candidate number 6, Irish Gail Tolio, representing Tablang.
Bago pa man ipinanganak ang mga kilala nating bayani tulad ni Gatong Rizal, Andres Bonifacio, Emilio Aguinaldo, at Marcelo H. Del Pilar. Una nang nagpakabayani ang babaeng si Gabriela Silang. Si Gabriela Silang ang kauna-unahang babaeng nanguna sa Mexican laban sa mga Kastila noong 1762. Dahil sa pinamunuan niya noon, naging malaking banta si Gabriela para sa mga Kastila.
Una, hindi nila pinapansin ito.
Ano ang kanyang tunay na pagkatao? Subukan natin kilalanin ang isang Filipinong nagngangalang Gabriel Silang.
Dito sa silangan, ako'y isinilang kung saan nagmumula ang sikat ng araw. Tayo'y mga Pinoy, tayo'y hindi kano. Huwag kang mahihiya kung ang ilong mo ay
man at ano man ang ating kalaban, dapat tayo magkaisa.
I face them. I was not on trial before, but I still have respect for it.
Thank you so much, candidate number 6, Iris Gail Tolio.
I could see enjoyed everything.
Now please welcome candidate number 7, Charlene Vinluan, representing Sampun.
Load, check.
Thank you so much. Candidate number 7, Charlene Vinduan.
But I was wrong for choosing the name.
Next up is candidate number 8, Shemelyn Merino, representing Abogado.
I choose the path that I know.
Up with it, girl. Rock with it, girl. Throw the mid, girl. Bang, bang. Bounce with it, girl. Dance with it, girl. Get with it, girl. Bang, bang.
Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and I won't be long. Gotta do my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night and I won't be long. Till I hit the dance floor, hit the dance floor. I got all I need. I ain't got cash, but I got you, baby.
Just you and me.
I don't want need no pills to have fun tonight. I don't want need no pills to have fun tonight. I don't need no
More than light, more than gold.
as long as I can feel love.
Make the business take control.
I don't need no
More than light, more than gold.
as long as I keep dancing.
Free up yourself, get out the control.
Come on, turn the radio on. It's Saturday and I won't be long. Gotta paint my nails, put my high heels on. It's Saturday and I won't be long. Till I hit the dance floor, hit the dance floor. I got all I need. I ain't got cash, but I got you, baby.
Just you and me.
I don't want need no pills to have fun tonight. Baby, I don't want need no pills to have fun tonight. I don't need no
More than light, more than gold.
as long as I can feel love.
Make the business take control.
Thank you so much, candidate number 8, Shemelyn Merino. Next we have candidate number 9, Janine Ekla, representing San Isidro.
Naglalakbay sa pawid, kay sarap mabuhay. Sa ilalim
Thank you so much, candidate number 9, Janine Ekla. Next is candidate number 10, Catherine Megano, representing Apulis.
Let's get loud. Let's get loud. Let's get loud. Turn the music up. Let's do it. Come on, people. Let's get loud. Let's get loud. Turn the music up to hear that sound. Let's get loud. Let's get loud. Let's get loud.
Ain't nobody gotta tell ya
What you gotta do if you wanna live your life? Live it all the way and don't you waste it.
wasting no
Every feeling, every beat can be so very sweet. You gotta taste it.
You gotta taste it.
You gotta do it.
Don't you let nobody lead you astray.
You gotta mean what you say. Da 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 da. Life's a party, make it hot. Dance, don't ever stop, whatever rhythm. Every minute, every day, they ain't here to stay. You gotta live 'em, yeah.
Now switch. Charlie.
Bring the beat back.
Let's get low. Let's get low. Turn the music up to hear that sound. Let's get low. Break it down. The body for me, work. The body for me, work. The body for me, work.
It's been loud.
Thank you so much, candidate number 10, Catherine Megano. Next, we have candidate number 11, Samantha Joy Melchor, representing Patalan.
Oh, baby, how you doing? You know, I'ma cut right to the chase. Some women were made, but me, myself, I like to think that I was created for a special purpose. Now, what's more special than you? You feel me? It's on, baby, let's get lost. You don't need to call into work 'cause you the boss. For real, want you to show me how you feel. I consider myself lucky, that's a big deal. Why? Well, you got the key to my heart, but you ain't gon' need it. I'd rather you open up my body and show me secrets you didn't know what's inside. No need for me to lie. It's too big, it's too wide, it's too strong, it won't fit. It's too much, it's too tough. You talk like this 'cause he can back it up. You got a big ego, such a huge ego. I love his big ego. It's too much. He walk like this 'cause he can back it up. Make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water, make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water. Normally, I could keep my cool, but tonight I'm whining. Can you blow my mind? Set off my whole body. If I give you my time, can you snatch my soul from it? I don't wanna wait. Come take me where I ain't been before. Can you blow my mind? Set off my whole body, whole body. Make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water, make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water, make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water. It's so crazy your love's got me looking so crazy your love.
Thank you so much, candidate number 11, Samantha Joy Melchor. Next up, we have candidate number 12, Catherine Abril, representing Matalapita.
Marahil ay alam po natin ang kwento ng isa nating kababayan na nangibang bansa upang bigyan ng magandang buhay ang kanyang pamilya. Katarungan na pinagkait sa ating mahihirap. Katarungan na para lang sa mayayaman at maimpluwensya. Katarungan na hanggang sa ngayon ay pilit na ninanais ng ating kababayan na si Flor Contemplacion. Ngayong gabi, sa aking katauhan ay muli nating bubuhayin at gugunitain ang kasaysayan na kailanman ay hinding-hindi natin makakalimutan. Music Maestro.
Bakit ba ang naging wakas ng buhay ko'y ito? Maling hindi ko nagawa, bakit nga ba ako? Kamatayan ng katumbas sa sanang di ako. Katarong ay bakit ba ganito? Marami ng katulad kong nasa ibang bansa, inaapi, sinasaktan, kasama'y laging luha. Marahil nga ay di kami ang tanging pinagpala ng may lalang dito sa balat ng lupa. Sinong mapalad? Sino ang kaawa-awa? Kami bang halos ang buhay ay inialay sa bansa? Bagong bayani na ang sandata ay luha. Bigyan naman ninyo kami kahit na konting awa. Mayroon pa bang naghihintay sa mga katulad ko? Mayroon pa bang pag-asa na lumigaya sa mundo? Sana'y huwag nang maulit ang isang katulad ko. Ang sana ng iba'y tubos ko.
Hindi ko kayang pumatay kailanman. Kung hindi nyo ko papakawalan, hindi ko kaya papatahimikin kailanman.
Kami bang halos ang buhay ay inialay sa bansa? Bagong bayani na ang sandata ay luha. Bigyan naman ninyo kami kahit na konting awa.
Thank you so much, candidate number 12, Catherine Abril. Next, please welcome candidate number 13, Genevieve Lombawa, representing Akokolao.
Sa bawat pagsikat ng araw, kagandahan ay matatanaw. Sa biyayang umaapaw, kultura'y nangingibabaw. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, pasasalamat ang sigaw.
Hello, good evening.
Hello, hi Jackie.
Hi, sir.
How are you?
I'm good, sir.
Ramadan Kareem also.
Yeah, Ramadan Kareem.
A quick question. We want to apply for a visa for Greece for Leia for the summer, and I was checking there if she has her passport. And she told me that the passport is with you. I mean, she didn't know if it's with me or with you. Because I come.
Yes, sir. Because I bring already in the house. I think two weeks ago, but Leia she did not come to the church.
Okay. So you will hand over to Claire tomorrow if she comes to the church?
Yeah. Because I was planning to give her last 2 weeks, 2 weeks ago, but she told me she did not come.
Okay. All right. Perfect. So just hand it over to Claire so I can, just that you can you help us with the visa for Greece?
Yes, sir.
Do you know where we should apply?
Yeah. We can help, sir.
Okay. All right. Perfect. So I will let you know.
Mm-hmm.
The instant we can pick it up.
Okay, sir. No problem.
I can tell you now if you want, but up to you. Are you in a place you can write down? Or
No problem, sir.
take your time. So yes, we want to go June, like 15th of June.
Just a moment, sir, ha? I will make it your voice. Okay, now, sir. Hello, sir? You are planning to go where, sir? Where? Greece. Okay, sir. When is that? June? When you gonna come back, sir? 25 of August. What again, sir? August 30, and then the date of June, sir, when? 15. Okay, sir. How many you are? Family, right? 3 kids? Okay, for only Leia. So everything in your side is okay, right? Okay, sir. Okay, so I will prepare only for the Leia. Okay, sir. I will check this one by Sunday. I will call the Alhambra, sir. Yes, sir. No problem, sir. You're welcome, sir. Yeah, you too, sir. Bye-bye, sir. Wala na. I don't know. Okay, let's see finish.
You want my love so right on the line. I have no doubt
Thank you so much, candidate number 14, Ilaka Green Veloria. Next candidate is candidate number 15. She will perform her talent together with her father, playing their favorite songs. Candidate number 15, Lane Tan Sarmiento, representing Poblacion Norte. Thank you so much, candidate number 15, Lane Nathan Sarmiento. Now please welcome candidate number 16, Princess Hannah Castro, representing Carino. Thank you so much, candidate number 16, Princess Hannah Castro. Now let's have candidate number 17, Bettina Rose Gallardo, representing Estacion.
Kenyans, are you ready to be entertained? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a fire starting in my heart. Seeing that fever pitch and it's bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and tell me how that alley should bear. And see how I live with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. And there's a fire starting in my heart, reaching that fever pitch and it's bringing me out the dark. What's that? The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, how you had my heart inside of your head, and you played it, you played it, you played it. We could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, how you had my heart inside of your head, and you played it to the beat. Check this out, ha! Mga galamay na malalapit, mga perfectong pinikinaksa. Dala ko mga kriyada, papatunayan na di ka magalang sumasalita, hindi mo matatagalan na mababala kung simula ka. Ha! Parang sakit ako bigirang binabalik ang katunggali mo na ikumakulo pa. Ngayon nagtindihan mo na ba? Malaking pagkakamali na ako kung binangga. Tangan mga talata sa mga binalawan ko narinig ko. Hindi mo makakaya rito. Pinabato ko ng mga salita para hindi ka na makagalaw at kakatagal na napala sa pinang has! Ladies and gentlemen! We're gonna you had my heart inside of your head, and you played it, you played it, you played it to the
Thank you so much, candidate number 17, Bettina Rose Gallardo. Now completing the circle of candidates, we have candidate number 18, Rihanna May Tajuan, representing Kabayawasan.
Yes.
Pagkain natin.
I don't know.
Dito na ako malapit sa bahay.
Okay.
Kung bibilin.
Ano marap?
Ha?
Ano, ipiprint ko pa ba yung ano mo?
Oo.
Okay. I got this one.
Anong kakainin natin?
Anything, darling, that you really wanted to eat. So.
I really wanted to eat.
Yeah. Would you like to cook or what? Would you like
I'm
to
good. How are you?
or you only want to eat? This is my diploma, so I make it so to go home.